Cockroaches in the home are more than just unpleasant to see. They can carry bacteria, contaminate food, and multiply very quickly if the problem is ignored. Many people immediately reach for strong chemical sprays, but those products can be toxic, especially in homes with children or pets. That is why simple homemade solutions are becoming more popular again. This method uses only two basic ingredients that many people already have at home: baking soda and sugar. You simply mix equal parts of baking soda and regular white sugar in a small bowl. The sugar attracts the cockroaches, while the baking soda starts working after they eat it. Inside their digestive system, the baking soda reacts and causes a buildup of gas that cockroaches cannot release. To use the mixture correctly, place it into small lids, jar caps, or shallow dishes. These should be placed in areas where cockroaches are most active, such as under the sink, behind the refrigerator, near trash bins, and along walls or corners. Cockroaches usually travel these paths at night, which makes these spots especially effective. It is also important to keep the surrounding area as clean as possible. Wipe down surfaces, remove food crumbs, and avoid leaving dirty dishes overnight. When other food sources are limited, cockroaches are far more likely to be drawn to the sugar in the mixture. After a few days, many people start noticing fewer cockroaches. With consistent placement and basic cleanliness, the population can drop significantly over time. While this method may not work instantly, it is simple, affordable, and avoids the use of harsh chemicals. Sometimes the most effective solutions are also the simplest ones, and this is a good example of how a basic household trick can still work today.